The book, State of Repair, written by Antony Goldman, and The Legacy of Muhammadu Buhari by Senator Abu Ibrahim, showcased how President Muhammadu Buhari tried changing Nigeria for good. The Ghanaian leader, Akufo-Addo, who unveiled the books, acknowledged and praised President Buhari for the significant progress made during his tenure in Nigeria and in stabilizing the sub-region. President Akufo-Addo stressed the importance of documenting and honoring the legacies of influential leaders as a guide for the future generations.
The work that President Buhari has done in helping to diversify Nigerian agriculture and thereby enhancing significantly agricultural productivity, reviving the economy, and ensuring consistently fast rates of growth. These developments for me have vindicated the choice of Nigerians, which I believe enabled continuity in office for the APC through President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
The writers of the two books on President Muhammadu Buhari noted that they are a factual representation of the legacies and progress recorded in 8 years.
Now, why did I write this book? This book started in 2017 or 2019 when I wrote a pamphlet on the innovations introduced into governance and some unique achievements by President Muhammadu Buhari's administration. That's the beginning. From then, I continue researching, writing on every project offered by Mr. President, on every activity of the President. So this book took me 3 years, and it is a factual book.
But the foundations for a better Nigeria are now in place. Food security, press freedom, a new vision for oil and gas. Buhari's government did this, and in the face of considerable odds.
President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Vice President-elect Kashim Shettima, and Dangote Rabiu were among dignitaries that launched the books with 500 million naira respectively. Juliet Dengiwa, ITV News.